So
Good.
these are real grown vegetable.
Good, good. Organic style.
Organic style.
Mm-hmm.
Take some work, but we managed to accomplish.
Right.
Okay. We are reach over here, so we're going to make a turn.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to just look across here.
Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when you're ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know?
Mm.
Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food.
Yes, YouTube family. I am at a different location. I am at Jason.
Farm.
Good.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Me see him do some little you know, cleaning up thing here. Instead I do some where you call it?
Landscaping.
Alright, you beautify you.
Yeah, we are beautify the farm, beautify your home. You know, we can't plant food alone. We have to do every single thing that is beautifying the place. So we are doing this not because of our house, because even if you pass by and look up and you see the flowers, many times your heart just feel glad to just walk past and just see it. So we are doing it on behalf of everybody, not only us, you see. So let us go on the farm.
Exactly. So
This is the coal skill.
coal skill, so you're going to tell me a little about your coal skill, you know.
Alright. The coal skill is a bunch of different wood that we gather together to make coal. Now when you have the jerk pan, you see the jerk pan on the road and all of that, this is where the coal came from. This is the procedure that it goes through and it becomes coal. You can say all this are coal. So first we cut up the wood them, pack it in this format, left a baby inside where you can light it from. So here's them big fat wood right here, so where you light it from right there. So you just remove them wood there and drop the post and we light it from there. But then we have to grass it first because we don't want the dirt to stay on the wood. So because we just choke it. So after we grass it, then we dirt it. We dirt it until you see no wood at all, no grass, nothing. We pack it. And then we leave the ear hole so the coal skill can breathe. Because if you don't breathe, then it will go out. So you have to spend another time to light it. But then after you grass it and you deal with it properly, and you dirt it up good, and you see smoke come out, you just leave it for a number of days, and it fall by itself. Because when the coal steam out, it just fall, just shrink.
Okay.
So this is one that I'm working on now. I don't really reach the way into it because we still have wood over that can over there. Because you can come. We are working on the yam part of the farm.
Hold on. Tell me some more about your coal before we go to yam.
Yes, sir.
After going through all that procedure with your coal, is it what you do? You sell it or?
Yes, man, we sell it, man. The coal is one of the goods on the farm where that goes the most, the fastest. Sometimes I'm under pressure if you burn the coal because I'm alone. Because people want it like every day.
Okay.
People like, especially when rain fall. Yeah, people love the coal because
right,
the coal can be substantial to their cooking.
Exactly.
Yes.
And what you say, it's payable. You get something from it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
Man, it works. It works. But you have to put in some work.
You have to put in some work to get something.
Exactly.
That's good, Jason. We love that, you know.
Okay.
Love that. A young man trying, because you know you have plenty of young men out there, but them just, you know, I waste them time.
True.
So, you know, big up to you.
Thumbs up back to
you. Thumbs up for that.
Alright.
Good. We are going to the farm now. Alright. No, we are on Jason's farm.
This is the planting. And not only planting, but we have callaloo, we have sorrel, and we have cocoa.
Good.
So we have the cocoa in this format right here, with the sorrel right in front of it because the cocoa.
Okay.
Yes, that is the cocoa.
Okay.
So we have the callaloo. We always talk about callaloo and saltfish, yes?
Good.
Well, this is it. This is where it comes from. Right from the earth. And this one thing though, this is no fertilizer food. This is totally organic, no chemical, nothing ever touched these plants before.
Excellent. Because you know a lot of farmers now them using fertilizer and them stuff
yes,
to you know make it come quick.
Yes, sir. So these are real grown vegetable.
Good, good. Organic style.
Organic style.
Mm-hmm.
Take some work, but we managed to accomplish.
Right.
Okay. We reach over here, so we're going to make a turn.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to just look across here over there, so. Where's the farrow?
Okay.
That is carrot.
Carrot. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Maybe if you want, you can get a close up on it shortly.
Mm-hmm.
But
mm-hmm.
this is
mm-hmm.
carrot.
Okay, so you have carrot in there now, or
Right
you
now,
just
all of those little green area there is carrot.
Oh, carrot coming up out
Yes,
of the
sir.
soil.
Yes, sir. Right now.
All right,
So,
Jason.
We not just have planting and greens, but we have some carrot to put with the greens and the planting.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You're going with your thing, man.
Oh Lord, thanks be to God. This is not even my thing to get to a place for.
Yeah, yeah.
When I plant these crop, it was totally drought.
Mm-hmm.
And can I tell you, sir, I just God make them come.
True.
And if you look on the quality of plant, you realize there's something special about them now because they're just big and they were so small.
Small, okay.
You
so
see?
You said the land have good
yes, man,
good soil.
good soil. Good soil, man. 100% good soil.
Good.
And this is in St. Mary.
Yeah, right, we know St. Mary. St.
Yeah.
Mary with it.
St. Mary with it.
Yeah, man.
So we tell the world, so look now, them are soil are top class soil.
No fertilizer.
No fertilizer.
Okay, okay.
And you can look at that little planting right there. Be careful, sir. That's the process it is coming from.
Yeah.
To reach this. So you must know that is a far process. Now this is where we get the coal wood from. This looks like a lot of woodland, yes?
Yeah, back to the coal.
Yes. This looks like a lot of woodland. This is what we do. This is how we start from nothing to reach where we are right now.
Yeah.
We use the resource from the woodland that we see in front of us to develop the farm. And all of the resources that we are using out there where zinc is concerned to put on the farmhouse and all of that, this is where it comes from.
Okay. Okay.
All of these bamboo, we chop them down and burn them up, and right there you can see yam coming up down there.
Yeah, man.
And that is renta yam.
Oh, yeah. So there's a lot of things you put in, you know?
Yes, sir.
A lot of things.
A lot of things.
in your earth here, man.
A lot of things. And, you know, we keep on, we are promoting planting because if we can promote planting, we can promote healthy eating, you know?
Yeah.
So this is what we do and get the coal wood. This is busy tree.
Busy.
Busy.
Yeah, good old busy.
Yeah, yes,
good old busy.
Yes, man, good old busy.
All right. You see now, this is the best view.
Yes, man. When you finish work now, you come on top of the farm.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, the breeze feel very good up here, so it's very good. And you just look right across the land, the landscaping. And if you're a artist, you'd want to catch this.
Good. The sky and the mountain and what have you.
Yes,
you know?
man.
Relax and...
Yes, man, this come like therapy.
Exactly.
Very good therapy. And from here, so you can just take an overview of the farm. That is the farmhouse that we're looking at, that building that you see right there. We're working on it.
Okay.
You know, it takes a little while, but we're working on it.
Yeah.
And as you can see, we have more land cleaned out.
Cleaning up, yeah, man. You prepare your land.
And more land preparation, always land preparation. And we are going right back round because we are farming without limit. Yeah, we are farming without limit. We want food without limit because we have to feed the world.
True.
Thumbs up to all who have been feeding the world all these years. Because
yeah, man.
Without this, we don't know what we would have been doing right now.
Exactly. You know, said farming is the #1, you know, thing in the world today.
True.
You know?
True.
Without farming, you just can't survive.
You just can't survive. So, this is the overview of the farm.
Yeah.
And flatten and grow. Thank you for coming.
Yes, man.
And I hope to see you in a couple months' time when they get bigger.
Exactly.
Have planting upon them, and
yes.
we can cut off one bunch and show you how we just cut them down.
Yeah, man, we're sure to come back.
Amen.
Yes. Thank you, Jason, for your wonderful expertise on your plant and your farming, and you know, well done.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, people, as I'm saying, Jason farm. A matter of fact, Jason is Curry's son. I never remember to Introduce him. Curry, the great Curry. Curry son. Yeah, man. So, you know, Curry is the comedian. Jason is the farmer.